Today, I'd like to challenge you and get you thinking about the antivirus software industry. Obviously, this is a red Corvette and it's brand new. Clearly, my artistic skills are amazing. It's a good thing that I'm in information security and not artistry. But imagine that you went and bought a brand new Corvette off the lot, shiny new. You go park it in the garage overnight. The next morning, you go to drive the thing and it doesn't start and it just falls to the ground and doesn't work. Would you A, just accept that, even though the car might have been $80,000? Or B, would you take the thing back to the lot and say, I want my money back the next day? Personally, I'd be back in the lot looking for my money back, or certainly some sort of fix for my car that's brand new and doesn't work. Now let's talk about the antivirus or security industry. For over a decade now, we've been charging many thousands of dollars, or most, depending on the business of their size, let's just call it good money for antivirus software. The problem is, for the last, at least, 7, 8 years, most of that software hasn't been working at all. And we continue to see businesses renew the same software over and over and over because they're familiar with that brand name. Even though malware continues to get past it, continues to infect computers and cost customers time and money. I would say, if I was buying software and it didn't work, I would be considering a switch, or I'd be asking lots of hard questions to those organizations about, what are you doing? Why are you charging me this money for software that doesn't do its sole intended purpose, and that's protecting my business from malicious software? You should demand more from your anti-malware software. It should block malware today and in the future. So think about that next time that you're going to buy or renew antivirus software. Thanks a lot.